Tesla asks Chinese suppliers for help in Mexico. Tesla is working to build an extensive business network in anticipation of the upcoming Giga Mexico factory. Reports are emerging that the electric car maker is asking Chinese automotive suppliers to consider setting up factories in Mexico. In the same fashion as the successful relationship at the Tesla Giga Shanghai site. Although there is not direct evidence of this, it would make sense for Tesla to leverage Chinese ultra-high manufacturing standards, as well as Mexican lower labor costs to help reduce their expenses. This could in turn help them reach the 1 million car production output goal by 2030. There have already been rumors that CATL, Tesla's battery supplier, is interested in establishing such a plant in Mexico. The urgency of the situation is thought to be linked to the recent visit of the automaker's CEO, Elon Musk, to China. Additional sources have reported that the Ningbo Zhusheng Group has already offered a $276 million plant scheduled to open later this year. Of course, this type of investment carries some political risk which might put off some potential Chinese partners. As previously reported, the Giga Mexico plant is slated for construction in Santa Catarina, Nuevo León. According to the Mexican government, a $5 billion investment budget of nearly 4,200 acres with 5,500 people employed is expected initially, with future estimations of a $10 billion investment with 10,000 people and a production output of 1 million vehicles annually. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.